Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today, I'd like to go through my Bonney heavy duty, extra heavy duty, 3/4, 1-inch drive set. So sit back, relax, and check out my big old set. So to start out with, we got the big box. Everything came in. I do have some footage of me cleaning it up and putting it together. Here we 3/4 inch drive is the Bonney 4287. I've got two of the T-handles and 3/4 inch drive. Handles are bent. I'm not going to really mess with those. Just clean them up and I will de-rust them here. Coming down here, we've got our X72 Bonney 2 1/4. Now that's a 1-inch drive, and it's an X for extra heavy duty. Here we've got an X64, which is just 2 inches, 6-point. Yep, 1-inch drive. So we got the X60, which is 1 inch and 7/8, 6-point, 1-inch drive. We've got our X52 Bonney 1 inch and 5/8, 1-inch drive, 6-point. This is an X33. It's got the hole. I don't have the actual T-handle for it, but it's pretty much a 1-inch that you could turn into a T-handle. Here we have our X29 square drive extension bar, and our X30 square drive extension bar. That's 1 inch. Here we've got our 4285 3/4 inch ratchet, 20 inches. We've got our 4290 3/4 inch extension. This is HD heavy duty number 58. It's 1 inch and 13/16. It's got the 12-point 3/4 inch drive. This one needs to be cleaned up. An HD heavy duty 44 Bonney 1 inch and 3/8. And that is 3/4 inch drive, 12-point. Another 12-point HD 42 inch and 5/16. I got two HD 42 Bonnies, inch and 5/16. Here we've got an HD 40 inch and a quarter. Here's a little HD 30, which is in a 15/16, 3/4. Now we'll get over to the 6-point, and this is a 42/48 inch and a half. Here we have 1 7/8, 42/46, 42/44, 6-point, inch and 3/8, a 43/34, inch and a 16th. So there you have it, folks. This is what I've got. So let's clean some of these up, and I'll go through some old footage and kind of show you how I cleaned up the box, which really needs to be cleaned up again, and how I originally cleaned up a bunch of this stuff. I know a lot of people have donated in addition to these, or some of these have been donated. Big Vic was the biggest donor of some of these tools. So yeah, without the support of my viewers and friends on YouTube, man, we got a great community. So let's check out some more stuff. So one last item to show you of my big Bonney set. So I got this 16-inch Bonney Chrome Vanadium. This is probably from like around the 30s. Yeah, so this was the last piece of the set. So everybody, hopefully you enjoyed the first round of this little mini series, the Bonney mini series. So next up, we're going to clean up the sockets for round 2. So look for that episode coming up, and then the next episode will be me cleaning up the ratchet. And then I think the final conclusion will be the toolbox itself getting cleaned up. So we got some more exciting videos on the way, so look forward to those. And as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.